What happens when pink meets shades of blue on a canvas? Let's find out. Welcome to the Art of Yayomi. Today I'll be creating a fluid art acrylic pour on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using the colors pink, cerulean blue, tropical blue, and white. If you're new to fluid art is a painting style where acrylic paint is mixed to a pouring consistency and allowed to move freely across the canvas. Instead of using traditional brush strokes, artists use movement, gravity, and different techniques to create unique abstract design. One popular form of fluid art is acrylic pouring. Acrylic pouring involves pouring paint directly onto a canvas and then manipulating it using tools, air, or tilting techniques. Because the paint is constantly moving and interacting with other colors, every painting becomes one-of-a-kind creation. I started by pouring puddles of white, tropical blue, and cerulean blue across the canvas to create the composition. Then I'll fill the negative space with pink. I wanted this painting to feel light, flowing, and full of movement, like colors drifting across water. In fluid art, color placement matters. The way colors are layered can influence how they blend, stretch, and interact as the painting moves across the canvas. Next, I used a blow dryer to push the paint outward and create movement throughout the composition. Once I was happy with the design, I tilted the canvas to spread the paint evenly and remove any heavy areas. This is one of my favorite parts of the process because painting begins to reveal its personality. No matter how much planning goes into a pour, there's always an element of surprise. What makes this piece unique is the contrast between the soft colors and the busy movement within the design. Some viewers may find it calming, while others may be drawn to its energy and complexity. This is one of the things that make abstract art so interesting. Everyone experiences it in a very different way. As I inspect the painting, I look for any air bubbles or small paint clumps that may have formed during the pouring process. One simple tool I like to use is a toothpick. By gently touching the surface, I can pop stubborn air bubbles or remove small clumps without disturbing the overall design. Small details like these can help create a smoother finish and allow the colors and movement in the paint to shine through more clearly. Abstract art focuses on color, movement, shape, and emotion rather than creating a realistic image. Instead of showing exactly what something looks like, abstract art invites the viewer to experience the painting and discover their own meaning within it. That's one of the reasons I enjoy fluid art so much. The flowing paint creates patterns and details that can spark different thoughts, feelings, and interpretations for every person who views it. The final result is a soft, abstract design filled with flowing blues, vibrant pink accents, and a sense of calm movement. Thank you for painting with me today. If you enjoyed this fluid art acrylic pouring video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.